Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about Vortex Mod Manager for the Steam Deck. This is a program that lets you mod games. I've done it in the past, but I've got some viewers, they want to install it onto their SD card. And yeah, I guess they have the 64 gig model. And because if you install Vortex Mod Manager on the Steam Deck, you need to put the games into the same prefix folder, same directory as your Vortex Mod Manager. And if you install it on your SSD, then you need to put your games on your SSD. So that might be a problem. All right, so without further ado, let's just get started. If you like this kind of content, please leave like and subscribe to my channel. That really helps out. All right, so here we go. First thing, you need Lutris, all right, and you need Flat Seal. All right, these two programs. If you don't have them, go to here, your Steam Deck desktop mode, and click this shopping bag. It's the Discover Store. All right, and type Lutris. All right, download this. This is the first one you need. I'll let you know why later. And also you need Flat Seal. All right, so these two programs. All right, and then let me install Vortex Mod Manager. You could actually install Vortex Mod Manager here on Lutris, but I couldn't get it to work. So it installed, but it crashes all the time. So I'm going to install it with Steam. So go to Steam, add a game, add a non-Steam game. Browse, go to my downloads. I've got this Vortex installer. So I'll leave a link if you don't have the Vortex installer. Add selected programs. You'll see it on the left-hand side here. Click on the gear button, properties, compatibility, and then we're going to change it to Proton Experimental. Okay, just close it and run. All right, so this is going to bring up the installer. We're going to install Vortex Mod Manager, and it's also going to create, okay, so here, we're going to install into C drive program files, Black Tree Gaming Limited Vortex. Okay, so it also creates a prefix folder. If you don't know what a prefix folder is, it's like a contained Windows environment, because Steam OS is a Linux, and we're installing a Windows game. So we're running it through Proton, which creates this Windows environment. You'll see later that the file structure is very Windows. Okay, so we don't need to run Vortex, it's installed. All right, now we need to locate where it was installed. So go to your Dolphin or your file manager, and then go to Home. Make sure the three lines here, you click on it, and show hidden folders is checked. We need to go to hidden folder, .steam, and then Steam apps, compat data, and then if you sort modified just now, this was just created. So this is the prefix folder I was talking about. So this, see inside here, it's got a prefix, drive C, you can see program files. Yeah, this is the Windows environment. All right, so we need this. So I'm just gonna cut this. I'm gonna paste it on my SD card. So this is my SD card, the primary. I'm gonna create a folder called prefixes. So this is where I keep my prefixes, and then I'm just gonna paste it here. All right. All right. You can see that on the Steam, when I added a non-Steam game, it just creates the prefix folder randomly. And this number, it randomly assigns a number to it. All right, so I'm just going to call it Vortex Mod Manager. So I know that this prefix is a Vortex Mod Manager prefix. All right, then go inside it, prefix, drive C, and then I installed it inside program files, Black Tree Gaming Limited Vortex. So this is where I installed it. I need this location. So all right, I'll copy it later. First thing, why we need Lutris. I told you to install Lutris because Lutris, this actually allows you to define your own prefix folder. And I want to assign it to my SD card. You can't do that on the Steam. So if you add a non-Steam game, it randomly assigns a number. You can't choose the prefix folder you want to use. So that's why we're going to use this. But first thing, why we need Flat Seal, because Flat Seal lets you manage your applications on your Steam Deck. All right, and by default, I think Lutris doesn't let you access your SD card. So it gives you permission here. And once you select Lutris, go to File System and make sure you add your location of your SD card. So if you don't know the location, so here I'm gonna open a new tab. This is my primary. So this location. So copy this and add it here. Other files, just add the location. I'm not sure if you probably need to restart the Steam Deck for it to be effective. I'm not sure. I can't remember. I've already done it because, all right. So yeah, that's it. Else you won't be able to you won't be able to access your SD card. All right. So okay, back to here. We need to copy this location of where I installed Vortex, and I moved it to my SD card. So take note of that. And then in Lutris, click the top left plus button, add game, and then here add locally installed game. All right, we're gonna give it a name, Vortex Mod Manager, and then runner. We're gonna select Wine, run Windows games. Okay, then go to game options, executable. Click on the browse. Here on the top, we're gonna paste our location. Click the tick. Choose vortex.exe. Okay, and then here's where the magic happens. Wine prefix. We're going to define our wine location where that contains Windows environment where we're going to run the game. So we go to my SD card, and then I created the prefix folder, and then Vortex Mod Manager, and then prefix. So I'm going to click here. So this is the location. This is where we're going to run wine on our SD card. And then runner options, we're going to choose Proton Experimental. Okay. Save. Okay, now we've created Vortex Mod Manager. You can actually, okay, you can create a Steam shortcut. So click create a Steam shortcut. Okay, and then since Steam is open, it doesn't work immediately. So let's go back to Steam. Let's go back to Steam. Okay, we can actually delete the installer. We don't need it anymore. We already moved the prefix folder. So remove non-Steam game from library, and it'll just delete everything. We've already moved it. All right. So, and then you can see we don't have the Steam shortcut because when we created the Steam shortcut, Steam was opened. So you need to exit Steam and reinstall. So make sure here, this goes away. That little icon, that makes it like Steam is closed. Now we've got to open Steam again. So wait for it to open up, and we should see the shortcut that we created. So we can run it in gaming mode, and we don't have to do it. Okay. Okay, Vortex Mod Manager. Do I have it? And no, I don't have it. Is it not here? Yeah, it's not here. Okay, there's a fix. There's a fix. I think it's because, okay, let's go to home. Okay, let's go to home and then .steam. Steam. And then, let me see. Okay, user data. This number. Config. Nope. I think this user data, we only got one user. That's correct. I think it's okay. Okay, so let's close Steam. Let's totally close it and then add. Maybe that's the reason why, because I created the Steam shortcut while Steam was open. Maybe that's right. Okay, let's try it again. Oh yeah, it still has create Steam shortcut. So create Steam shortcut. All right, now it says delete Steam shortcut. So I think it's created now. Okay. Sorry about that. So let's open Steam again. Okay, library. All right, yeah, Vortex Mod Manager. Yeah, we can see it here. All right, so here it is. So let's play it. Let's play it. It should work. It says it closes, but it should run in the background. Yeah, see, it just runs in the background. That's the Lutris Steam shortcut. That's how it works. So it just works. It works like this, and it works in gaming mode. So we're gonna launch Vortex for the first time, and we don't have .NET. All right, so just click Fix, and then it'll download. Just let it do its thing. It'll do itself. And then, yeah, it will just install. You don't have to click anything, and it will, after it installs, there's no confirmation. It just goes away. So just wait for it. Okay, and then just click OK once it's gone. Okay, first thing you need to do, log in. So click here, log into nexusmods, authorize, Vortex, log into Vortex. Okay. Okay, now I'm logged in. All right. So we've installed Vortex on our SD card. Now we need a game to try it out, okay? So this is my SD card. Okay. I know, I need this. I need to, okay, so this is the SD card. This is the prefix folder to drive C. I need to put a game inside here, my SD card into the same directory as my Vortex. Okay, so let's go to downloads. I've got a game ready. I've got Stardew Valley. I think that's a good game to mod. So Stardew Valley, this is the install, the RAR. This is a clean folder. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag Stardew Valley here. Okay, just wait for it because it's on SD card. It's going to be a little bit slower to transfer. Okay, done. Okay, I'm going to clean it up a little bit. I'm going to delete these URLs, and then I don't need two folders. So I'm just going to move it up a level. Move here. Okay, right into. Okay, just clean it up a little bit. Yep. So once in Drive C, once I click on it, this is the Stardew Valley game folder. All right. So this, you can see it has doesn't have the mod directory. It only has two directories. And let me see. Okay, sort by name. And we should have the Stardew Valley exe if I can find it. Okay, here, Stardew Valley.exe. All right. So after we mod it, we should have a Stardew modded API.exe, something like that. That's the exe we need. But this is the vanilla clean version. All right. So cool. All right. So go back to our Vortex Mod Manager. Go to Games. Go to Games, and then let's search for Stardew Valley. All right, found it. Manage, and then you need to manually set the game folder. So continue. Just go to my computer, and we put it on our C drive. So we can just see it here, okay? And then select this folder, okay. All right, now it's mapped. And okay, we don't have SMAPI, all right? Stardew modded API. That's what we need to mod Stardew Valley. So click on this. Click on this, get SMAPI. Okay, and then click download. It's going to bring out a browser outside of the Vortex Mod Manager, which I don't like. So I'm just going to copy this location. Copy. I'm going to close this browser. I'm going to do it inside. So I'm going to cancel. Okay, so I think I failed to install because I canceled it. I'm going to do it inside Vortex Mod Manager. So I'm going to go to downloads, go to enter URL. I'm going to open the URL inside Vortex Mod Manager because once I do that, we need to log in for the first time. So make sure you log in. Okay, log in. Okay, log into nexusmods for the download. Okay, I'm going to click slow download. Okay, so it should be downloading. See here, it's got the download here. It downloads inside the app. So that's good. That's good. All right, we need one more mod to test it out because SMAPI is just the mod, like it enables the mods, but it doesn't really do anything. So let's download one mod to test it out. It works. Okay, I think I messed up. Okay, go to most endorsed. Let's find a mod to. Okay, let's do this CJB cheats menu. So this brings out a cheat menu if you have this, and you can get like infinite health and stuff like that. Okay, so files. Okay, mod manager download. You need Stardew modded API. We already downloaded that. So now we just go to download the mod. Slow download. So we should have a download here. Yep, okay, done. Okay, now we can cancel out of the browser. Go to mods. See here, we've got SMAPI installed and we've got CJB cheats menu. All right, let's see if we have any issues. We shouldn't have any issues. If you put the game folder outside of the prefix, so your Vortex C drive, you might have some issues. That's why you need to put it here. Okay, let's just cancel all this. So everything's done. Okay, let's check our folder. All right, so look at our Stardew Valley folder. Like it created the mods and SMAPI internal. Okay, so it's created this folder, and we should have a different exe. So let's take a look. For it to work, we need a Stardew modding API exe. Yeah, this is, you see there, we didn't have this before. So this is the game, this is the exe we need to launch. All right, so let's go back to our Steam. So add a game, add a non-Steam game, browse. Okay, so we're already in our SD card. So let's do it from scratch so you guys know what I'm doing. So SD card, and then it's in the game's inside my Prefix folder, Vortex Mod Manager, Prefix, Drive C, Stardew Valley. All right, so now we've got this Stardew modding API exe. This is what makes the mod happen. So don't use this one. This is the vanilla one. This is the one you modded. Okay. Add selected program. You can see it on the left-hand side, Stardew modding API.exe. Go into its properties, change it to Proton Experimental to run. Run. All right. I think you press the P button to bring out the. All right, see, it's loading the mod, and it should run the game. I think you have to press the P button to bring out that cheats menu. All right, let's test it out. If it works, if a mod works, then it should pop up when we press the P button on our. Now, I'm pressing P now. It doesn't work on the title screen. I guess that's normal. Okay, so load. I don't think we have any saves. These are clean. Yeah, we don't have any saves. I was thinking we can skip that. All right, so new. Okay, let's just create a new game. GUG, GUG, and GUG. Skip intro. Okay. Okay, let's run the game. Let's hope the mods work. Else I need to re-record the whole thing. All right. So I can move the character. Okay, press P. All right, see here, CJB cheats menu, infinite health, infinite stamina, instant weapon cooldowns. Yeah, all this. Max speed. Okay, we can inventory size. Okay, infinite water can. Okay, it's just a cheat menu. All right. So how do I do this? Okay. Yeah, see, my energy doesn't go down and my water doesn't go down. Yeah, and my speed. Yeah, I think I should be able to go fast now. Yeah, the cheats work. See that? Yeah, cheats work. So yeah, that's it. That's how you do it. How you install Vortex Mod Manager on your SD card. It works, but you need to do a few other steps. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.